In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpenAI's ChatGPT 4 with Webflow, using Zapier as the conduit between these two powerful platforms. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate AI capabilities with your Webflow sites. So let's get started. First, if you don't already have one, you'll need to create an account on Zapier. It's the platform that allows you to connect different apps to automate workflows. Once you've signed up, or if you're already an existing user, go ahead and log in. This process might seem like just another account to manage, but Zapier is incredibly intuitive and valuable for automating tasks between different services. Now, when you're logged in, the next step is to click on Create Zap. A zap is essentially an automation, a series of tasks that run whenever a specified trigger event occurs. Think of it as setting up a domino effect, and it all starts with that first piece. The trigger app is where it all begins, so you'll want to choose Webflow as your trigger app. Webflow is a powerful tool for building responsive websites without having to write code manually. Once you've selected Webflow, the next step is to determine what specific event within Webflow will commence the zap. In our case, select an appropriate trigger, like a new form submission. This means whenever someone submits a form on your Webflow site, Zapier will spring into action. Next, you'll need to connect your Webflow account with Zapier. During this step, Zapier will guide you through authorizing the link to your Webflow account. You're essentially granting Zapier permission to access its data and functionalities. Once that's done, choose the specific site or form you want to connect. This is crucial because it specifies exactly where in your Webflow environment the action is centered. Now that your trigger is set, it's time to add an OpenAI action. OpenAI offers a range of choices for different actions. You might select something like conversation if you want dynamic, interactive responses, analyze text for extracting insights, or generate content to create things like blog posts or summaries. Choose the action that best suits what you want to achieve. To connect OpenAI within Zapier, you will need your OpenAI API account, along with an API key that you'll obtain from OpenAI's API platform. Keep this key secure and private, as it's your access pass to OpenAI's services. With your accounts linked, you can now map the fields from your Webflow form. For instance, if your form collects details like a name and a message, these fields can be inserted into the ChatGPT prompt to customize responses based on user input. Think of it as filling in the blanks to make interactions more personalized and contextually relevant. Finally, it's important to test the zap. This helps ensure everything runs smoothly and all connections and interactions are working as expected. Once you've confirmed everything is in order, go ahead and publish your zap. Now your Webflow and OpenAI ChatGPT are all set to interact with each other automatically. This integration offers a powerful way to harness AI capabilities within your web projects. I hope this guide helps you leverage these tools effectively.